Let's dive into how one small company is perfectly positioned to outsmart an entire industry. This is a story about turning total market chaos into a massive opportunity. So in Ontario's waste sector, you've got the old guard, and then you've got these guys. They're lean, they're tech-savvy, and they focus on just one thing: wood. And this is a big part of their secret sauce: huge trailers for moving lots of wood super efficiently. But what makes their timing so perfect is this perfect storm that's brewing in the market. Okay, so force number one, it's a big policy change called Extended Producer Responsibility, or EPR. Mark your calendar for January 1st, 2026. This is when cities stop collecting recyclables for many businesses. Suddenly, thousands of businesses will be left stranded, scrambling to find someone to haul their waste. Force number two is all about the money. A new levy is going to make landfills way more expensive. And that cost just keeps climbing, pushing businesses to find cheaper, smarter options than the dump. And force number three, a booming bioeconomy that's absolutely hungry for clean wood. But here's the problem. The current system is a mess. Most of this material just ends up in landfill anyway. So you've got a service gap, new costs, and huge demand. It's chaos, but it's also a huge opportunity. Okay, so how does 95 Wood actually step into that service gap and solve the problem? Simple. They're focusing right on the industrial areas that are about to get cut off from service. All right, and what about those rising landfill fees? How did they flip that into a win for them? This part is brilliant. They sell their service as levy avoidance. It's not a cost, it's a saving. And finally, how do they feed that hungry bioeconomy that we talked about earlier? Well, those giant trailers deliver exactly the pure, clean wood that manufacturers are desperate for. But wait a minute, how can a small, unfunded company possibly compete against industry giants? By being smart. They use AI chatbots to handle quotes, which keeps them lean, fast, and cheap. So it all comes to a head in early 2026. First, the compliance shock, then the new levy hits hard. The key thing to realize here is this isn't just luck, it's a masterclass in strategic positioning. It shows that the future might not be built by the giants, but by the agile, niche disruptors.